So day 2 in Italy, amazingly much more fun than day 1, but we spent most of the day in the Alba region and had a chance to see the Leo Vinci facility, one of the most world-class facilities I think I've ever been to. I've been to a lot of manufacturing places. A great company, a lot of dedicated people, awesome R&D, and the things they're making, both electronics and the exhaust systems, they're top shelf. Excellent. I'm probably going to get one for my bike when I get home. We also spent most of the afternoon with the Molo family, who is part of Leo Vinci, the Cito group, and they were unbelievably hospitable towards us. The lunch we had was amazing. Truffles. Haven't had that many truffles in a long time, and they were excellent. All the food, the company, the discussions, the talk, everything was fantastic. Got to view the inside workings a little bit of a winery as well. Pretty amazing stuff there that I learned. Didn't know much about wineries before now, so that was something I had a good time with. Now back in Milan, excited to go to the EICMA show tomorrow. I hope to post some video and photographs of all the bikes and the gear that we were expecting to see. So that's it for now. Having a great time. Thanks again, Cycle World. See you tomorrow.